How to copy wallet address on Bitget. All right, guys, so copying your wallet address is really easy. First, make sure you have an account on Bitget. If you do not, you can use our link to simply sign up and get some rewards. So once you're on Bitget, how do you copy your wallet address? So click on Add Funds. Once you've clicked on Add Funds, go ahead and click on Deposit Crypto. Once you select the Deposit Crypto, you're going to be met with a barrage of different cryptocurrencies you can easily copy and make use of. So we have USDT, USDC, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Bitcoin, and a lot more. Now, each of these tokens have a wallet address. Now, all you need to do is click on one of them, let's say the most common being USDT, and then simply select the network. You'll be prompted to select one from Morph, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Solana, the Open Network, that's Ton, Arbitrum, Plasma, Optimism, Polygon, Aptos, and Avalanche. So just go ahead and select one, the most common being the BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain. Click on it and it would show you the unique address. You can also click again on the network and simply switch over to a different network, which in this case could be Tron, and your Tron address would be shown. And just copy it, and that's it.